Lct Our Lady of the Philippines Navistar 2 is attempting to dock in Dumangas port. Obviously, it attempted already, but they failed because the current here is absolutely very strong. You can see it's like we're in a river. Current is strong, and they don't have tugboat because I think their tugboat is, they're in maintenance. Now the second time they can attempt to dock with this strong current. For us, that is very possible without attack. So here it comes, second attempt. Oh, look at that. There are now the stevedores and rostry linemen are now waiting, and they cut their line because of the strong current. They didn't manage to dock. So now here it comes. Pilot struggling. The ship is now on slant. Oh, so they're gonna dock her at the Montenegro docking area. Gaya.